I just had a mobile order, and it's not correct.
Okay, what was it supposed to be, and what is it?
I used my points for a sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle. Oh no. Let's see. Here we go.
Bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits?
And 3 sausage McMuffins and strawberry jam and a hash brown.
So what'd you get?
2 McChicken McGriddles and 2 hash browns.
Do you need bacon cheese biscuits?
Uh-huh.
That one was free, right?
Uh-huh.
Then you got the hash browns. You need 3 sausage muffins.
Uh-huh. With some strawberry jam.
Hash browns, anything else? Here, I'll take that bag back and I'll just put a fresh hash brown on there. These guys are cold by now.
Can I keep this? Because I like wasting my time over there trying to deal with all this. Should get something compensated, right?
I'll do a 2-pack of hash browns.
Okay, that sounds great.
Okay, you want with the hot cakes and without? Alright, go ahead and pull that.
Okay, thank you.
Sausage biscuit?
No. I had a messed up order. I got the bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, the 3 muffins, the 2 hash browns, and some strawberry jam. I got a wrong order.
He's at my window right now. Why did she?
Were you wanting 3 sausage muffins, a bacon, egg, cheese biscuit, and 2 hash browns?
Yes.
Okay.
And some strawberry jam in there.
Did you not pay?
I did. I did a mobile order. I went over there, and then he brought me out 2 bacon, egg, and cheese bacon, cheese McGriddles or something. He brought me and 2 hash browns. That wasn't my order. So I just gave her that food back there, and I'm trying to get my food correct.
I need all that. They just didn't tell us. They didn't say anything. They just canceled the order, and I was like,
Where is it?
He didn't think I had the liquor serving. We need 3 sausage muffins, bacon. What happened is he didn't think I forgot
The order I got mixed up when I handed it out wrong. Sorry about that.
No, it's fine. Can I get some strawberry jam in there, please?
Yes, it is in there.
Awesome.
I was bringing it out to you, and I'm like, where's he at?
Oh no.
Yeah,
Awesome, thank you.
Have a good day. Sorry about
Nope,
that.
y'all have a great day.
That was actually my fault.
It happens. Thank you.